नमस्कार, मैं हूं सतीश सिंह। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल सिंह एकेडमी में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। टुडे वी डिस्कस द पैराबोला। वी हैव टू डिफाइन द पैराबोला। व्हाट इज पैराबोला? We take a point S. We take a point S. Now we take a fixed point S and a fixed straight line L. Fixed straight line L. A point P moves, random moves. A point P moves in such a manner that which is equidistant from the fixed point S and from the fixed straight line. A point P moves in such a manner that this point P, which is equidistant from the fixed point S and the fixed straight line L, that is PS is equal to PM. Then the locus traced out by the point P is known as parabola. We know the ratio of PM and PS is known as eccentricity E. If the value of eccentricity 1, then क्या होगा? PM by PS is equal to 1, that is PM equal to PS. It means that the point P which is distance from the fixed point S and the fixed straight line L, which is equidistance, then the point P trace out a path is known as parabola, where the fixed point S is known as focus and the fixed straight line is known as directrix. Again we repeated a fixed point S, a fixed straight line L, a point P, a movable point P. This point P, which is equidistant from the point S and from the fixed straight line, that is PS equal to PM, is called a parabola. Then if a point P, which is equidistant from the fixed point and the fixed straight line, then the point P trace out a path. This path is known as parabola. That is, we know the PM and PS ratio is known as eccentricity. That's it, eccentricity 1. If we call eccentricity 1, if eccentricity will be 1, then PM and PS will be equal. Then PM and PS will be equal. Then the point P trace out a path is known as parabola. Fixed point S is known as focus and the fixed straight line is known as directrix. Now, a straight line which intersect the parabola को intersect कर रहा है. This point is known as directrix, name as a straight line which intersect the parabola is known as vertex. That is, which is known as vertex. Sorry, a straight line which intersect the parabola is known as vertex. And this straight line which intersect the parabola, this straight line is known as axis. A straight line perpendicular, a straight line passing through the name as L1, L2, a straight line passing through the focus and perpendicular to the axis is known as latus sectum. A focal chord, a straight line passing through the focus, which is focal chord. Here AB, here CD be the focal chord. This is about the parabola. This is the information about the parabola. थैंक यू। आशा करते हैं कि ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो। अगर वीडियो हेल्पफुल हो तो वीडियो को अधिक से अधिक मात्रा में लाइक करके शेयर करना भूलें। धन्यवाद।